So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Oneodio Fusion A71 gaming headset slash DJ headset below $50. What's up guys, it's Michael from Oneodio Unboxing. We are happy to make decision in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. So let's get right into the unboxing of the Oneodio Fusion A71 gaming slash DJ headset. So at the back of the box we have some specification and what is inside the box. On the side we have power of music with the DJ headset Kinikon. On the other side we have some highlights of the specs: comfortable and foldable, share port technology, that means you can share the audio from the other ports of the headset, adapter free, hi-fi sound quality, portable and foldable. So inside the box I don't have unboxing table, so bear with me. Inside the box we have the headset itself. Let's keep that aside first. A carry case which feels like nylon. At the front we have the Oneodio logo, as you can see there, and at the back we have their contact info at the back. See, and you are ready to go. So let's hang it here first. Let's keep it here first. So we have two cables in the box, which are, one is for the DJ slash producer, like my brothers. One is a DJ, one is a producer, so they can use this. Then the other is for gamers, as you can see, with a boom mic where you can talk to your fellow gamer when you're gaming. So on here you have the on and off switch or toggle to off your mic. Then we have the pause and play. Also inside the box we have the user manual with 24 pages of, I don't know, share 24 pages of something. So let's remove this from here and check out the headset. Sorry. So inside, this is the right up, right, left, and this feels, this feels comfortable when gaming. Before you can use this gamer's cord for headset, you have to buy an external distance, so to be able to enter the headset, because none of these ports can take this 3.5mm headphone jack that they put here. This feels comfy though, and if you put it down like this to listen to someone that is talking to you, can just, it doesn't fold outside, just inside, and I really like it. Yes. If you want to watch the full review of this headset, I'll leave a link in the description below or in the iCard to Kagan's channel, so you'll be able to watch the full review. Also, I won this from Kagan Isolation Couple Giveaway. Thanks Kagan. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing experience. If you like more of this content, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace. Now let me go and listen to song, as I don't have PlayStation or Xbox or PC that I use and play game. I need to listen to song. Bye bye.